Hi guys, get with me. So for our base, I'm using this Kurumi Focalure Cushion Foundation. It's really all over my FYP and I'm really excited to try it. Although I opened it already and I tried it yesterday because I've done my makeup for our study service. So let's go, I'm gonna try this. Look at this. Diba? Napakaganda ng ano niya guys, packaging. And I really love the cushion. It's really malambot. Ang lambot niya. Sorry, nagamit ko siya kahapon. Yes, and I've tried it already and it's really good. And by the way, I'm at the shade CLO2. Yes. You wanna show? Or you wanna show? You wanna know? Gusto niyo malaman? Tignan, natawa bala. Gadudu ako kung ma-English ko, kung ma-Tagalog ko, kung ma-Ilonggo ko. Sige, ma-Ilonggo na lang kung ma-English ko, kung Tagalog. I-mix na lang, guys. So here, damn, I'm gonna show you guys. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. The shade match is shade matching, guys. Tignan nyo kung paano niya naman. Ooh. Minilagay. Minilagay ba wala? May kimbutang wala. Yeah, tignan nyo talaga. Ang ganda niya talaga. Kahit ang smooth niya sa balat, guys. Hindi ko lang yan i-cover kasi baka ma-irritate. Super ganda niya gamitin. Super dali niya lang gamitin, guys. As in, wala siyang yung may kiki effect. Wala siyang ganun. Super smooth. Tignan nyo naman. This is the side wet and this is the side without. Tignan nyo kung paano na blur out ang oiliness sa face ko. Let's try the other side. There. Ooh. Look at that. The shade match is really shade matching. Ooh, wow. As in, wow. Parang wala ka lang nilagay. Maganda kasi pag nahanap mo yung pag nahanap mo yung shade mo talaga. Kasi parang, look at that. I'm just gonna finish my base all over. So, yeah, this is it. So, I'll just go guys with my everyday routine. So, I'm gonna start with this first, this shade. I'm gonna be using this shade. And then here, the shade. This side. In the outer part. By the way, this is my everyday makeup routine. So, ginagawa ko siya everyday. Not everyday, kasi wala pa kaming pasok. Pero eventually, pag may pasok na kami, sa September 1. September 1 pa yung pasok namin, guys. Sa 20, online class lang kami. August 20, sa Wednesday na. Online class lang kami. So, yung actual talaga na namin, class is September 1. Face-to-face na siya, guys. And there. So, next is, I'm gonna use this shimmer here. For here. Gonna put a little para may shine-shine lang. Para may shine-shine lang sa guys. So, there. Little lang, guys. Kay hindi naman gusto nga pakak na pakak at the first day of school. Dapat very cutesy lang gigapon, very natural and student friendly looking. So next guys is magkikilay na tayo. I'm using this from Pink Flash. Gamit na gamit siya guys. Dapat pala ganito, sorry. Di pa ako marunong masyado eh. Kung ano lang yung nakasanayan ko, yun yung ginagawa ko. Tapos after nyan, syempre, ilalaminate mo siya gamit itong spoolie na to. Parang spoolie. Pero hindi ako marunong mag-laminate. Laminate. Chance. So guys, next is for the nose. Gagamitin ko, ito pa rin ginamit sa kilay ko. Kasi wala akong nose contour. Minsan eyeshadow palette lang yung ginagamit ko. Pero pwede din naman ito kasi maganda din siya. Tignan nyo naman. Maganda naman siya guys gamitin. Tsaka madali siya gamitin. Tignan nyo guys, lantawa. Do natural lang sa lantawon, diba? Ayaw mo naman nga ang contour mo daw, sa lantawon, sa layo. Girl, do tap in. Natural lang siya, girl. Parang hindi ka lang subtle. So next guys is the blush. Yes, we're gonna go very natural. Lalagay ko siya dito para makontrol ko siya ng maayos. Kasi sobrang pigmented na to guys. Super. Grabe siya ang pigment. Dugin sumbag ka. So I put my blush here. This lang. Nagpo-focus lang ako sa dito kasi dili ko lang siya ginabutang guys. Para daw cutesy lang ta. Ito ang di gamay diri oh. No, very good kagwapa. So, ang next guys is i-curl ko ng akong lashes kay murang ra mascara. Let's go. This is my usual routine lang guys. Actually, hindi na siya kalabot 10 minutes. But kay ga-istorya ko sa inyo, so basi maglabot siya sobra 5 minutes. Sobra na gani. So, okay, tapos na ko sang curls ng akong nga lashes, mag-mascara na to dayon. Here, I'm using this mascara from JMCY. Ang mga manok kagahod. Here. Maganda siya guys kasi hindi siya nagsusmudge. Hindi siya messy gamitin. May excited na ang mga manok, girl. So, ito po ko lang siya off-cam. Kaya daw ang mga manok mabidabidag siya kasi sa akin. Look at that, guys. Perfect siya for Asian lashes. Really. I love it. So, next step is we're gonna be setting the face. Here lang, at saka here. I'm using this from Pretty Secret. Just gonna be setting there. Yung mga, yung mga part na naguhulas ako. Next is lipping na tayo, guys. Ang lapit na natin sa exciting part. So, I'm using this from Her Orange, and it's in a shade 08. Maganda yung shade na to guys kasi parang lang siya, natural lang. Oh, look at that. Oh, love it. Setting spray. So, wait for the final look. So this is gonna be the final look, guys. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. Comment down below if gusto niyo pa ng mga ganitong content. Go.